Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a series of arrays, right? So I have discussed few coding question in last video. So in this video guys, also I am going to explain one most important coding question which is asked in interview room by the interviewer, right? So guys, what is this question guys? So guys, this question is how you are going to find the element in array. Suppose if you enter the element in the array, suppose some element is repeating, right? So then how you can find this element is coming how many times, right? With the array construct in array, right? So with the custom logic, right? How we can find. So guys, this program I will explain end to end. This program generally is useful for freshers and intermediate level as well. Correct, guys? Because some logics are there, guys. Nothing is that, only some logic. In that logic, how we can implement, right? So guys, without any further delay, we'll start this program, guys. So how we can find the array elements in array, guys, if the user is going to give the input. So guys, see, for that purpose, first we should have one class, right? So guys, class name is what? Find array elements, right? Find array element. We should have one main method. Finish. Then please be concentrated. It's very easy, but if you understand, then it becomes easy. Otherwise, it may tough again. Okay. So most of the time, interviewer asks this question: "Hey, how you are going to find the element in array with your logic?" So let's see, this program I am going to write in terms of user expectation. So first user is going to enter this data, this much of size I am going to enter into the array. Suppose 5 elements if I want to enter, 10 elements if I want to enter. So first they will give the size, then corresponding they will enter the value as well. Suppose if they are going to give 5, size of the array is 5, then they will enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will find out in this entered element which number is coming twice or thrice or only one time, right? If number is coming 0 times, then we can print item is not found. If number is entering 2 times, then we can print item is found but 2 times. This thing is our motto, guys. So guys, please be concentrated. It's very easy, guys, if you can understand what. Then otherwise it becomes tough, guys. Let's see, first I will take one size variable, right, where we can hold our size what the user is going to enter here. So int size, right? Then I will take one scanner class for taking input from the user. Scanner s equals to what? New scanner. Okay. Then guys, I'm giving our input stream here, right? I no need to explain, right? This thing I have done, guys, right? Then guys, I will print some message, guys. I will print some message to the end user. What is message get? What those message? So enter the elements, right? Enter the elements, right? Then we can take this value from the end user. For that, guys, we will have what? Next sc dot next int. In scan class, we have one method, right? Next int method. This method will call, and we can hold the value what the user is going to enter, guys, right? This value I can store in our size variable what we have initialized in locally, right? Then guys, I will create one int array, guys. Okay, arr. Then get object, right, equals to new int, and we to pass the size of the array, guys. What we got from the end user, what the size you want to entered, correct? Yes. Okay, then I will take one for loop where we can take the all entered value from the user get. So guys, see, for int I equals to 0, and guys I will less than our size, then guys I plus plus, correct? This thing I hope you know very well, right? No need to explain, correct? Guys, see, after that get we can take the input from the end user. For that purpose, guys, we have a method in scanner class sc dot next int, correct? We can call and we can hold this value in our created array object, right? Right? ARR I, right? This thing I have done, guys, as expected. Guys, see, if we got all the value from the end user, then guys we can print this value as well, right? We can print this value as well. So guys, that purpose we can print some statement, right? Or what? Print array elements. What guys? Printed array elements is guys what? So guys, that purpose we can take one for loop, right? Already have taken. So in this for loop, guys, only we are going to print the things, guys. So we can print our array hold variable, guys, where we can hold our array variable, right? And guys, this thing we can then our main motto is starting here. So what our main program, correct? So as of now, what we have done, we have taken the request from the end user and we have printed this entered value, right? Then guys, we can take what? Then we can search the element. Suppose if the user is entered 4, is coming how many times, or is entered or not? You entered this 4 in the array or not? For that, how we are going to find the result? So for that purpose, guys, we are writing some logic here, guys. So first I will print some statement, right? This out what? Enter search elements, enter search elements by whom? User. Enter such element. It's sufficient, get enter such elements, not elements, get element 1, because only one element they are going to enter, right? Yes. So get enter such element, right, guys? After that, guys, what I am going to do, please be concentrated. It's very important, guys. So you see, I will take one for loop. In that for loop, what all the number already entered by the end user, with that number I am going to check with entered the such number by the end user. You know very well, all the number entered by the end user we are holding in array of I, right? But again, if in runtime, if the user want, hey, tell me this 2 is coming how many times? So guys, definitely you should have some user input, right? For such element, what number they are going to search. So guys, for the purpose, first I will take one for loop, right? For loop I equal to 0, then I less than size, then I plus plus, correct? This thing normally I hope you know, because we are going to compare all the numbers, right? Then we are going to check what number is there or what number is not there, guys. For the purpose, guys, I will take one if condition, right? Guys, please be concentrated. If condition, guys. In that if condition, guys, so what that as of now, what the user enter the number, guys. So all the number we are holding in this variable, correct? Yes or no? So guys, if ARR of I, what, guys? If ARR of I equal to what? User search input, guys. User search input. Okay, I will create, guys, don't worry, I will create this variable. So just you understood what I'm going to write here. So if ARR of I is equal to user search input, if it is yes, if it is condition satisfied, guys, that means we can count plus plus, yes or no? Very simple, guys. If user input is equal to our hold value in our array variable, then guys count plus plus, right? Otherwise, guys, if it is not there, guys, if it is not equal to user input, then guys directly we can write one condition also, right? What condition, guys? So if count value greater than 0, count value greater than 0, guys, directly we are going to print what? What we are going to print, guys? Tell me. So item found. If our count value is greater than 0, right? You can write, guys, what? Item or elements. You can write, guys, item or elements. Element found. No. Found. Our count value, right? Count. Okay. So if the count value is greater than 0, then we can get print statement, what? Item or element found this much of times, right? Right. Else, get, see, if item is not there, get, if item is less than 0 or element is less than 0, get, then get, we should have one what? Handle case also, right? How are you going to handle this thing? So get, we can come into else condition, right? And get, we can write what? Item or what? Elements not found. Yes or no, guy? Very simple, guy. Simple logic I'm writing here. If count is greater than 0, we can write what? Item or elements found this much of times. Otherwise, item or element not found. But guy, first I will take the request, right? Take this input from our class, right, guy? So guys, see how sc dot next int, yes or no? Int, right? Next int, and we can hold this value, guy, in our user input, right? User search input, right? Yes. But guy, this thing we need to declare first. That's why we can see here error message coming, right? So come here and you can get here, suppose int user search input, and guy, also I can declare one variable, that is count, guy. Also you can see the issue coming, right? Initially count value is get 0, correct? Initially the count value is 0, guy. You can see now. So after entering the search number by the end user, right? So you can hold this value in our user search input, and you're going to check the condition, right? With the help of our user search input, right? So guys, if AR of I is equal to user search input, then count plus plus, right? Otherwise, if the count is plus plus, means count is value is more than 0, then guys, you'll print here what? Item or element is found by how many times it's coming, guys, right? Otherwise, guys, it will throw what? It will not throw, guys, it will give else part. So item or element are not found. The main condition, guy, here. So this is our, guy, holding value, what the user entered earlier in initial time, what the element they've entered. Suppose they've entered 5 elements, so 1 2 2 3 4, right? So 2 is coming 2 times, so it will check. So okay, this index what? 2 or 3, it's same, that is 2, guy. So count plus plus, it will increase, guy, 2. Then when count value is greater than 0, definitely count is 2, guy. So it will show this message, right? Item or element found 2 times. Otherwise, if the element is not there in our integer array, then it will show, guy, item or element not found. Okay, this is our, guy, code. If you want to write how you are going to find right? The array elements in the array or not get. So I see in front of you, I will run the application, will see just it's coming expected or not get. See get enter array elements in array. First guy I am going to enter 5 elements, right? See get 1, 2, then get again 2, then get 3, then 4. Okay, I have entered 5 elements, right? Then enter again. See, first get it's printing printed array element. So already have entered get 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Correct guys? So you see if you enter all the element, then get from this element from 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. I need to check. I have to check. So this number is coming how many times? See, if I'm going to search element, it's enter guy. It's mentioning here enter search element. If you want to search 2 as element, right? So how many 2 is coming there? So see, then again if you're going to enter, right? Then you know what it will check. So it will check. So array this index guy. This index is 1 and 2. This index is 1 or 2 guy. So array of I. So one it will iterate guy index 1, index 2, right? So both the value guy is same. 2 is coming in 2 index 1 and 2. So where the count will be incremented by 2, correct? Then it will give a item font 2 times. See guy, I am entering here. See what will came guy item or elements font 2 times. Yes or no? Same thing guy I have mentioned here, right? Guys tell me yes or no? Guys tell me this thing coming or not? Item is coming 2 times. You can see guys this 2 is repeating 2 times, yes or no? The item, because we have entered guys 2. So we are going to check 2 is coming how many times? Yes or no? So item or element font 2 times. Correct guys? See guys, if I am going to run the application one more time, then you can see if I am going to add here guys 1, sorry not 1, I am going to integrate 10 elements. Okay, 1, then 2, then 2, 2, then get 2, then get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see how many entered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Then I have entered. See, so I have entered all the element. Then I am going to check. See, this 1 is coming how many times there, or this 2 is coming how many times, right? Suppose I am giving this 7, right? I am entering such value as 7. Entered. Let's see, item or element font 1 time, because 7 is coming here only 1 time. Yes or no? Okay, one more time I will run the application. Suppose I am giving 7 number, right? So 1 comma 1, then comma 2, 3, 4, 5, entered. Okay, this time I will check this is coming 1 is coming how many times, guys? See, if I am going to give here input as a 1, because I have written a condition here. See, enter such element. If you are going to give the such element as a 1, so it will calculate. So this 1 is coming index 0 and coming 1. So it will calculate, guys. So user input is, guys, you know what input is 1, right? And it will check, guys, array of I. So what value is, guys? 1. It count, guys. Initially count is, guys, 0. You can see here 0. Then guys, it will increment 0 to 1. Again it will iterate the loop, guys. Next time also in first index 1 is there. So count will be 2, guys. So guys, that's why it will give the our result as a 2. You can see, guys. So 1 enter. See, guys, item or element font 2 times. Whatever you're going to search 1. Good, guys. So guys, that is the logic, guys. But guys, this thing also I can run with debug mode, guys. Then we'll come to know very easily, guys. I am giving here breakpoint debug as Java application. I see my main motto is you people make a perfect on the concept as well as coding, guy. How the code is going to flow internally, what the code we have written, how it's implemented, how the flow of execution. So yes, enter element I have entered, guy, 5, right? Then guy I am entering here 1, 2, then guy 3, 4, right, guy, and enter. See, guy, I am repeating here 2 times. So guys, this time if I will give here 3, right guys, then game entered here. See guys, then our cursor came get this place. So guys, you can see here. So user search is guys 3, you know very well that I have given 3 is coming how many times. If you are going to check 3 is coming how many times. So guys, see first loop guys, if we iterate guys, you can see guys. So now array of I guys 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 there. So guys, first it will check first index. If 1 is the unique guys, it is not equal to the user input, it will go outside. Guys, this time you can see what is our index value guys. 2 guys, 0, 1, 2. So definitely our 3 will be there guys. Guys, see increment or not increment, you can see guys. In next case it will increment guys. Why? Because 3 is repeating guys. See this time guys, you can see 3, 3, right? So you can see the our count value guys, definitely guys 2, because it calculates 3 is coming 2 times what we have entered the user search input guys. So guys, that's why it can print the result guys. You can see here. So item or element found 2 times. So guys, this is the logic by which you can what get the repeated element from the array guys. So guys, that's it from this video. If you like this video guys, please like, share, subscribe. So I will bring a such type of coding question which will very helpful to you for interview room as well as your knowledge seek. Okay, because I want to make perfect people in the array concept guys. Whatever the probable question, what the question is probably mostly asked in the interview room, or guys your understanding for basically, that thing I will discuss in our array series guys. Thank you guys. We'll meet very soon in this video. Bye. Take care.